Check this out. This is my dad's 2002 Ducati Monster. This thing hasn't been running like maybe like 15 years or so. Got a new tailpiece coming just because this is broken, but I just patched that up for now. Yeah, nothing's really been done to it. All I did is I put in a fuel pump, some fuel lines inside the tank, new battery. But other than that, as you can see from the dust on here, hasn't been ran in quite a long time. So I'm gonna fire it up, take it for a ride. Make sure that's all good. Give it a little choke. Yeah, like I said, hasn't been ran in 15 years. I just started it up a few minutes ago. All I had to do was literally just turn on the choke and crank it a couple times, and there we go. Alright, so I'm going to take this out, go for a ride, see how it runs, you know, get the oil moving around. I'm going to see how this camera mount works. I'm going to set it to like ultra wide so that there's a big field of view, but yeah, that's the gist of things. So about to find out how this angle looks from the chest. One more thing, I almost forgot to check the tire pressure, which, you know, after 15 years was kind of low. So filled those up, tire pressure, oil, gas, all the fluids. I'm not going to do the chain yet because I still got to wash this thing, so I'll wash it, dry it out, and then re-lube it, yada yada yada. But yeah, so it was time for a ride. Bink. Big bump. Right here. Not a great road to be riding on. God dang, would not want to ride on this way. Oh, I don't even want to ride on this dry. Jesus. Why did I go this way? Seems to be running pretty smooth. I hope this angle here isn't just pointing straight at the tank, because all I have right now is the shirt clip for this camera, and it pretty much just goes where your chest goes. And when you're riding a street bike, unfortunately, that's pretty much just like straight down.
Cool reflection though. Sick headlight. Oh, not making it through that. I guess I don't need to record everything. I'll shut this off. All right. Out on the ride. Well, it's pretty fast. That was first and second gear. I also just said it's pretty fast right as I looked at that cop, so that's funny. Almost like I was telling him, come pull me over, I'm going too fast. I'm gonna go right. Not used to this turn signal. I keep just going to the other side. I'll get used to it. Rear brake is not that grabby. Front brake on this thing I'm loving though. Just one finger, stops all this weight. God dang, how do you ride these things without a track? That is crazy. In my Mini, it's like first gear, second gear, third gear. It takes like 5 seconds until you're going too fast. This thing is just click one gear and you're good. Oh, it's pink. The other crazy thing is I'm used to riding around on my little pit bike, which tops out at like 40, 45. And honestly, this right here is about as fast as I ever cruise. So I gotta get used to that, you know? When it feels like you're going fast, you're going way too fast. Fun corner if there wasn't a car in front of me. Is running really smooth. Like the first time or two that I really opened it up, it felt like it kind of, I don't know, it kind of like stumbled. I was gonna say like the carb was getting cleaned out, but I won't, you know, it's fuel injected, so not quite. Sick. That was an old school bike. Just like this. There's not many turns around here, so I can stop recording. Alright, we got rain coming, and it's already getting on the bike. So, I gotta cut this ride short, get this thing home, put it away. But, yeah, no, it's been riding well. Runs nice and smooth. At first I was worried about the coolant sensor because it just said low. But once you got up to temperature, now you can see it just says 179. So yeah, we'll also see this little like glass screen protector does in the rain. God dang, it's coming down already. Ah, neutral. The one time you don't need it, right? Not super hyped about this rain. I thought it was going to be a nice day. Oh, it's so much worse when you're going fast. Also, fun fact, that's my first time out of second gear. Especially in the wet. I mean, not to mention, they're old tires. The wet makes it worse. Really don't want to slide out on that death stripes right here. Oh, they're so scary. The other bike I've been riding is an old Ducati as well, the 750 SS. Really similar to the Monster. I almost want to say it's like, in my mind, it's like the predecessor. But that bike has a fairing, and it's tiny. It only comes up like a few inches, but it makes a big difference, you know, going 45. Not even that fast, but you definitely feel it not having a fairing on there. Oh, stupid rain. The knuckles definitely got a little chilly. Also not used to rev matching, as you can tell. Slow corner, snakes, scary, rain, all the bad things at once. There we go. Get the kickstand. Alright. Well, camera's still recording. I wasn't sure what... Oh, I got water on it. Hope it didn't mess it up. I wasn't really sure what to expect because I just got this thing and I've never shot in 4K. But
Seems like it's working out pretty well. Cool ride. Now I just gotta deal with fixing. Oh no! The actual plastic's broken. Damn it. It's supposed to be flexible too. It's even got these little like flex lines. Ah, that's dumb. Whatever. Cool ride. Cool bike. I can fix it.